What's up, everyone on Facebook, YouTube? Now we are on episode 9 of the emails we were just programming in episode 8. So let's get right to it, okay? So in the third emails, okay, what you want to do is pick the one you like. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will be a complete expert on this. 10K blueprint. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. I like the first one. So we'll go ahead and get the first one. Copy. Weber. Create a message. Drag and drop. Wow. It's taking a while. Okay. Subject right there. Copy. Let's see. First name. This is it right here. Get it to go down. Hover down. Let's see. Hover down. I gotta hide this right here. Hide. And this is the body of the email right here. Okay. You do want to have bonuses when you promote these things. Okay. So always have that in mind when the PS, when you're writing your bonuses, to include that they also will get a bonus. You see, we're gonna need some white spacing here. Here. It's like we might have sent this email actually. I doubt. No. This is email 3. We're just gonna run with it. Okay. All right. And I just mainly got mostly emails, so I'm gonna just take this out, and you can do this if you want. I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and put the subscriber info, email, and the link to sales page. I'm gonna just go ahead, click here, go to the notepad document, affiliate link, plug it up. Dave Weber's happy. Then what I'll do is I'll copy it again with the permalink, and paste it again right here. Put your name. Put your bonus. Sometimes vendors even provide bonuses for you. Just bonus PPS. You also bonus, but hurry spots filling fast. Also get my bonus, but hurry spots filling fast. And we're gonna be saying 37 spots left. 37 spots left, something like that. Okay. Go ahead, save and exit. All right. What I like to do is I like to make a copy of the email again in the same list. Refresh the list. All right. This one I scheduled for a broadcast. The other one went out, so I could send this one right now. I'll let that run. Who do I want to get this message? Make sure you put the right people you want. Apply. And I'm gonna send it now because the other broadcast already went out this morning at 10:45 a.m. Okay. Then you just keep repeating the motion, keep repeating the motion. So let's see. We got 3. I'm gonna do email 4. All right. This is the easiest way to actually earn 10,000 per month, 90 days less. Who needs this step by step? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. Okay, let's try this. I like the third one. Copy. Schedule a broadcast. Create a message. Drag and drop. Thing will load already. I noticed since they had the oh, there it goes. They pretty much forced us to use the new layout. I knew that was coming. It seems pretty intuitive. Drag and drop the new layout. So it's pretty good. User friendly as always. Okay. Copy. Let's go get the body here. All the way down. Copy. Copy that body. Different. Go ahead. Personalize. Personalize. Subscriber info. Put their email. And we need some white spacing in here. Every sentence, every new sentence is where you white spacing. In close. PS. I'm gonna put. Check it out. I'm gonna just add plus my bonuses. Quick, just get it across. All right. And we'll go ahead and default the spots where the affiliate link need to be. Link to front end sales page. You got obviously you don't want to say that. Let's go click here. And what I'm gonna do is get the link. Copy. Link it in there. Okay. And what I like to do sometimes, it just depends on the email. I don't always say click here. I usually have it say different things too. There goes my cat again. Every episode. Come in, you little shit. All right. So we got that right there. Emails. Save and exit. And we're going to schedule this for tomorrow morning. Okay. Now that we made that one, I got to make a copy of it. So, reach. That's where the main prospects are. Refresh the page. Okay. And after refresh the page, I got 2 copies, so I'm going to have the second copy, the second copy, that's going to be for tomorrow's broadcast. Hit it up, like that. Apply. And I want to edit when they get the message. I don't want it to be immediately. So tomorrow's Wednesday, so we're going to do it for Wednesday at 10:45. 10:45 a.m. Click apply. Schedule. I think we got one more email. One more email to go. All right, let's go. And just go to email 5. See what subject we want. You'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonuses. Bonuses are still guaranteed. These bonuses are included with the guide. I'm gonna do. Let's see. I'm gonna do this one. First one. Create a message. Drag and drop. Subject in there. And go ahead and get the body of the email. Make sure it's email file. All right, yeah. Just make sure. I don't want to copy and double. So paste it in. It's a big one. Just gonna get somebody thinking. Let's go. Email here. Breaks that out. Personalize. Subscriber info. Email. All right, let's see. Let's give it white spacing. Every new sentence. Let's see what we got here. Make sure there's no affiliate links in there, which there is. I'm gonna put. This time I'm gonna be like, go here, go here. Copy. Get the link in there. Paste the link. Okay. And I usually like to copy the permalink. That way I can just kind of get the email up and going. Get it done quickly. Ready to go. Okay, making sure there's not a spot I'm missing because that's kind of a big jump where I put the next affiliate link. Put your name. Chris Ramirez. That. Save and exit. All right. We want to copy the list. Viral reach, or whatever list you have that you're putting all these follow-ups in. Because episode 10, I want to say. Episode 10, I'm going to show you how to plug up all your campaigns. All right. And then you'll be like, oh, okay, that's how you make the consistent follow-ups happen. After one campaign ends, another one begins, so on and so forth. Never ongoing campaigns constantly running. So we got that. Schedule a broadcast. Edit all subscribers except for the ones. Edit when you want to send it. I'm gonna send it. We send it Thursday at 10:45. Apply. Schedule. And that's pretty much it, man. That's that campaign. You do normally want to have 7 to 10 emails, so I highly recommend if you want to just go ahead and craft up 5 emails, to craft up 2 more emails or more, if you want. With these training series, we're on episode 9. I'm planning on doing over 1,000 episodes. See where this is gonna go, and just let it run, my friends. Let it run, and just keep pushing out this content for you guys, on how to use the Aweber tool and all that good stuff. All right, so there'll be some links in the description. You'll be able to pick up your Aweber. If you ain't got your Aweber yet, go ahead and get it through that link in the description. All right, and be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I know this is on the Facebook Live, but I'm ripping all the trainings off Facebook and just keep feeding the YouTube beast, so to speak, with the keywords and all that good stuff. But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. I don't know who's saying what. I'm gonna go ahead and end this live. And I'll see y'all in episode 9. Okay, so there'll be some links in the description, and I'll see you guys. Oh God, I'm just tired. I'm all like flustered over here. All right, guys. See y'all later.